Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve Levay with the T3 Live Halftime Report. In about 15 minutes, we've got the Apple announcement we've all been waiting for. I'm looking forward to putting in my pre-order for the new iPhone 5 tonight or tomorrow. I'm sure the stock is going to have some great volatility. I don't even know if I'm going to trade it, but it is something to look at with the 1 o'clock announcement pending. Today, let's talk about two stocks that I made money in today in the chat room. The first one was JVA. The stock had earnings. It closed at $7.34. I was able to pick some up at $7.90 for a nice trade up to the $9 range. But since the open, as you can see, it's just developed one giant wedge, which looks like it wants to break to the upside. I'm hoping that this thing can close around 9 or above 9 for a continuation move. If you look at the daily, you can see that JVA is, primed to get to around 950, maybe clear that area and get to 10 or 11. And when this stock gets the momentum, it does tend to have a few days of trading and then kind of fizzles out and either consolidates or go back down. So I'm looking for a couple days out of JVA, and we'll see what happens with that one. The other one that I made money in today was SSH, Sunshine Heart. As you can see here on the 5-minute, the stock gap down, or not gap down, but traded down off of yesterday's highs of 964. I was short off the open with a stop at that 960 level. I was risking about 30 cents. And the first 5-minute bar took us from 925 to 875. So that was a good trade right there. I was probably risking a little more than I like to off the bell, but it just felt to me like if the stock wasn't going to see any type of bid, I was going to get a quick short. And knowing the stock also helps me make money. I know how the stock trades. If it doesn't go up right away, especially in a thinner stock like this, it tends to have a quick down move first. And then I was able to pick off after it wedged right here. I'll show you the wedge right here. I was able to pick off this 5-minute bar right here as it broke from $9 down to $8.50. So as you can see, it's basically just one giant descending triangle at this point, which probably leads me to believe it's going to print around $8 at some time before the end of the day. So those were my two trades today. Again, I'm waiting for the Apple announcement very shortly. With that, everybody, good luck today. Trade the Apple announcement with caution, and I will talk to you guys on the VTF.
Hi, I'm Sean Hendelman of T3 Live, where we train, coach, and mentor traders in order to help you put your money to work with confidence. The T3 Live approach is a blueprint for you to recognize, adapt, and ultimately take advantage of different market conditions. To begin your training with T3 Live, we would like to offer you the opportunity to enroll in our free 30-day online home study course. Fill in your name and email address, and I'll see you on the other side.